AOC installation. An ODU is the outdoor unit of the optics RTN 600. Before installing an ODU, check whether the design frequency is within the deep-picked frequency band of the ODU. The T or R interval is the same as that in the design. The transmit frequency is greater than the receive frequency. Therefore, this side is a high side. When bundling an antenna by using a rope, make sure that the rope can support the weight of the antenna to prevent the antenna from falling during the hoisting of the antenna. Install the anti-fall bracket to a proper position of the pole according to the hoisting height of the antenna in the network planning design. Wear a safety belt when working at heights. Do not stand under the tower. Abide by the rules of working at heights. Do not remove the hoisting rope from the antenna during installation. Reliably bundle the hoisting rope to the steel tower to prevent the antenna from falling until the antenna is reliably installed against the pole.